everyone, my name is Jazzmond and welcome back to my channel. Today is an interesting day for a lot of reasons, but I just wanted to come on here because I'm in a funk and I don't want to be in a funk anymore. So I'm doing things that will make me feel better, and I wanted to share one of those things with you guys and gals, y'all. So I bought some Crocs. Crocs were really just not on my radar, not something I have ever been interested in, honestly, like, but then here I am in Texas and they're everywhere. Crocs, 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 Crocs. And so of course they like grew on me. These are going to be my slides. Plus I like the fact that you can decorate the front, which brings me to this. This is where I keep all of my little gibbets. And I got all of these from Culture Clips on Instagram, and I'll that's them, that's their website, that's their Instagram. I bought these long before I got these Crocs, just because they always are having a sale, and so I got them knowing I would get Crocs. Thick fillet, that's me. That's me. But I got these long before I bought my Croc, just because honestly I was having a hard time committing to buying them. So, but here we are. I bought them. I got them in a kid size 4 just because I have small feet, so these will fit me. But I also picked up these ones, but I don't really like, I'm not really feeling these. Like, they remind me of the macaroni and cheese, like the old, like the color on camera is much nicer than what I'm seeing in person. Like, this is cute. I like the color that y'all see, but this right here is like dull. I don't know how else to explain it. It's dull. Picked up one little gibbets. Is it one gibbet or is it one gibbets? Y'all let me know. I picked up one from the Croc store just because this is super cute. Self-love. So yeah, we're going to unbox these and I'm going to be decorating them while I talk to you. I'm going to keep these because I like this color. I'm returning these though. I don't like this one. So yes. So y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? I have been making a lot of videos and just not posting them. We could call it imposter syndrome. We could call it, I want to say June gloom, but it's not June. It's still gloomy though. But yeah, I just haven't. I don't know why. Hopefully they will come out because my phone, I really don't have enough memory to just be holding on to stuff. I need to let some stuff go. My skin is going through some things. Like you see that? I'm not taking it off. Like, I have this huge bump right here and it hurts so bad because it's like, you know, your nose is like cartilage. Like, who even gets a bump right here? Like, why? But it's there and it hurts, and I have one of those little patches on it so we can just let her go, okay? I do want to tell y'all, everybody that comes for my peel videos, I am going to be doing another peel just because I have been stressing myself out. I have been stressed and that shows up on my skin. I also pick my face a lot more when I'm stressed. So it's just been a nice little negative cycle. And we've landed basically back in middle school, okay? Where my mom was like picking at my face and doing the most, and I had really no knowledge of skincare. Like, now I know better, so there's really no reason for me to be doing it, but I know that it's stress related and not Not because I don't know that I'm not supposed to do it. It's really just stress related. So let's talk about why I'm stressed. Okay, let's talk about why I'm stressed. And this was in one of the videos that I filmed, but basically I work for a nonprofit organization, and they like cut my hours drastically. And of course, a cut in hours means a cut in the shmonies. And I have 3 kids. I also have an apartment. Like I have things that require monies to function. So, and they cut my hours with like 4 days notice. So it's just been really difficult because I am someone who likes to be financially secure, like a lot of people do, you know. But I'm also someone who understands like the bigger picture of things. And I know that in the grand scheme of my life, this cut in hours right now is just like, it'll be, you know, it's gonna be so far from relevant when things start to, you know, level out again. So yeah, that's one thing. The second thing is I have been applying for jobs because I'm really interested in working from home, just because some things are going to be changing with like my living situation, and my daughter is going to be going to school, and so my little baby Myers, he will be home with me. So I really want a job where, you know, he and I can just chill. I work, you know, he's with me. I go pick up my kids, and then, you know, we all back at the house. So let me show y'all these in person. So cute. And you know what? These remind me, let me know if y'all used to watch those chef shows. If y'all are in my age group, which I'm 32, there was this one chef. He was like this big dude, and he used to wear Crocs, but they were orange all the time. And that's who I think about when I think about Crocs. His face and those Crocs immediately come to my mind. And that's probably why I have such an aversion to them, because he was like, I don't know if I didn't like his personality or I was like, I'll never. Okay, but look at me, here we are. So I'm gonna put this one on first. Hot Girl Summer. Even though it's not summertime, it's fine. And then you can see like some of the color is not on there. I had emailed her about that, and she basically, I think when I bought this one, they didn't have any more in stock to like send a replacement. But I believe she sent like a code or something for like some money off. So it was rectified, it's fine. And plus, I'm probably just going to use one of my pens to color this in now that it's going to be on my shoe. But, yeah, you know, so it's cool. I'm going to put it on. I'm also congested today, so, because I've been crying, honestly. Let me tell y'all why I'm congested. I've been crying. But, yeah, I've been applying to places since, like, last year because, like I said, I wanted a work-from-home position, and it's just something psychological about going out to find a job and being somebody who has jobs. It's never been an issue with me getting a job, okay? I get them. I'm gonna get them. Now, whether I want to stay at that job, which is usually no, because things arise and I'd be like, but something about that psychologically, it having been so easy for me to find jobs in the past and get hired quickly, and then now going months and months and months and months and months with no callbacks, no interviews, like there's no light. It's just me, these kids, in a dark bubble, and I don't see no like I don't see no exit. And then of course we're gonna put this one on there, LA. I was born in LA also, fun fact. Something about that psychologically, like, and then getting all these, thank you for applying, but bitch, no. Thank you for applying, but we want somebody else. You know, like those rejection emails. Something about it psychologically, you just kind of like get lower and lower and lower. But again, big picture. I don't even remember the names of the companies that have sent rejection emails. So does it really matter? No. Okay. But it just feels like I'm qualified. I don't like to work, but I'll do it because I like to enjoy my life. Like, I'm gonna put this one on here, and this one I got 2 of. So there's already one on there, but I'm gonna put one on the other side. And y'all, let me know, do y'all fill your Crocs up with these things? Because I'm just going with, you know, what I'm feeling for now. But I've seen people put like their full shoe is covered in them, and I don't know if that's me. We'll see. But yeah, so that has been an issue. The next thing is that my lease in my apartment is going to be up soon. It'll be up in April, and I was already planning on moving anyways, but you know, reduction in hours and no job, no new jobs at least, is making that kind of stressful. And you know, you need a job to apply for an apartment. So yeah, so that's been a thing. And then there's been just some just personally, I have been doing an inner child workshop through it's on OnlyFans, but it's through the Hood Healer, and that has been bringing up some things that I should have dealt with a long time ago. But you know, now that I have all this extra time on my hands, I'm really trying to, even though I'm still applying to places, I'm really trying to use the time, like in between crying, I'm really trying to use the time to improve myself and work on things that I have, you know, put to the side. And speaking of the side, y'all ignore this. My son has been messing with my purse wall, and I just didn't have the energy to get this cute for y'all today. So yeah, so I've really been trying to use the time to improve myself and work on things that I have just put to the side, and really come to a better and clearer understanding of who I am as a person, and be present. And one of the things I will say that I'm super, super grateful for is that this reduction in hours has really helped me to get my house together, and more time with my babies, decluttering my kitchen, actually dropping off the donations to the Goodwill, and not just saying that I'm gonna drop them off and then they in my trunk for 2 weeks, and then I gotta take them out of my trunk to go grocery shopping, and then I put them back in my trunk and say I'm gonna take them to Goodwill, and then 2 weeks later, where we at? Like, what are we doing? So yeah, so that has been really helpful. And honestly, I have been resting. I was not getting very good sleep when I was working my full hours that I was working, and that's because there was just a lot of things with like management and my coworkers that went down. Maybe I'll tell y'all that story one day once I'm working somewhere else. I kind of want to put one more on. Give me 1 second, y'all. So let me know, what have y'all been up to? Like, talk to me. What have y'all been doing? So that's what's been going on. And honestly, this felt really good to just sit here and talk. Even though y'all are not like in front of me. It's therapeutic, I'll say that. But yeah, let me show y'all what my crockies are looking like. Y'all cannot tell, oh, maybe I should do it this way. Y'all cannot tell me that that's not freaking cute, okay? And of course I had to get this one, Anti-Croc Club, because that's me. Melanin, the little money jar. What does it say? Self-love club. And obviously I'm big on self-love because I got this one too, but I like the little, difference and whatever. I got CEO. But what are we a CEO of? I don't know. But we gonna put it on our Crocs. These gonna be our manifestation Crocs. And then the Black Power Fist. I love this one with in the sunflowers. Sunflowers are one of my favorite flowers. And then period. Okay, so the Crocs are cute, period. So yes, we're gonna end the video right there. I still have all these other little gibbets, but we're gonna rotate them. And honestly, y'all, I got some more coming because they are having a sale, right? And I think it's still going on right now, like a New Year's sale. I'll check and put it down below, but everything was 50% off. So I got some gibbets for my babies. So yeah, hopefully I can get these other videos out for y'all. And for sure, y'all will be seeing me with another peel video. This time I want to do it with the booster. I was talking to somebody, I want to say his name is Jordan. I put it up here. This person, they commented about and asked me on one of my other videos about the booster. And I want to try it because I read the description and it was talking about the booster basically helps with stubborn scarring, which some of my scars are new, but some of them are, they just want to chill with me. And I know I'm a fun person. I am fun. But y'all gotta go, find some new friends. But anyways, I'm rambling and we 3 minutes past my time. So bye y'all.